Hi guys, welcome to my second home tour. You guys have already seen my main house, which is also my parents' house. But welcome to my studio, my crib. I can't wait to show you around. Okay, so this is the entry to the house. This is a really cute corner. I love it. Also, it has so many colors going around. And like you saw, I have a very set aesthetic when it comes to home decor. And because I've been researching so much there, you will actually be able to see like this is Sakshi's house. Right when you enter, there is this cute little corner. You already know I love these Pinteresty corners. You saw in my home decor, I have a very set aesthetic. When you enter, you see this beautiful round mirror. You can actually see yourself, how you're looking while you're going out or while you're entering. I think it's a really cool concept. First things first, I got a lot of things from LBB. LBB has some amazing homegrown home decor stuff, and I love that. I love supporting some homegrown brands. These candle holders are also from LBB. They have rare essence candles, and this little, this little console table is actually for I think $1,000 that I got from Banjara. मैंने उसके ऊपर एक अच्छा सा scarf रख दिया है, just like for that aesthetic feel, because you know what, I have had this table for a very long time. Again, these beautiful plant holders are from Cumin. You already saw that I really love these plant holders. I have a few of them in my home as well. I've put some really beautiful plants. You already know I've spoken about Chhatarpur. You have to see the home decor video, by the way, before jumping into this video. Moving on to the second corner, this is also at the entrance. We have these amazing paintings adding such a vibe to the entire space. These are from Vajor. I love Vajor home decor. Like, I've been a fan since a very long time. We have this little bit of a rug carpet situation that I got from Ruby's Signature. I love accents like these. When you just enter, it makes you feel like home. Even though it's my studio space, it needs to feel like home. And then there we have a little bit of a seating space, which is like really cute and super aesthetic, that I got from Top Brass. Okay, I'm already so happy to have you in my space, having you guys around here. I feel like we're a big fat family, and while you enter, there are these studio backdrops. Like I said, this is going to be my workplace / crib, so you will see like my work-oriented stuff, which are these studio backdrops. There are 3 colors here and there are 3 colors inside. Moving on, we have some very aesthetic sets or places or corners in my entire house, which I love. You already know how much I love some macrame wall hangings, and I got this from Copper Fringe. Again, an amazing find, a homegrown brand which makes these insane, like good quality stuff. And when you want to give like a design, if you want to make something, like customize something for your house, in terms of measurements, in terms of what you need, in terms of your space, Copper Fringe is the place, you guys. I've spent a lot of time researching out places and brands who do a lot of good macrame stuff. Copper Fringe is definitely one of them. Because this is like a single person's house, and just like my few friends come here, my family comes here a little bit, but this is essentially a space for me. I have very little seating, but very aesthetic seating in my place. This was actually supposed to be like that corner of my bed, jo bed ke end mein lagta hai, but I've put this here because again, utilizing space, again adding aesthetic. There is a beautiful runner carpet which is actually from Cumin Decor. They make such amazing stuff. You already know I spoke about them in my home tour. So this is super aesthetic, and I think it adds such a variety in the entire. You can see that there are so many warm tones in the entire house, which is why beige, white, off-white colors आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिलेंगे. Oh God, you guys, मेरे को कितने टाइम से एक बहुत ही बड़ा मिरर बनवाने का शौक था, but wherever I went, I felt like everything was so super overpriced. That's why I legit got this thing made under like what, 7,000-8,000, which is absolutely insane, because this is like a 8-foot long mirror. It's really huge, and it's so super aesthetic. मतलब इस wall को पूरा cover कर लिया, and you know what, like it doesn't even feel like such a big mirror because it fits so perfectly on this wall. And I've just decorated with like SMU written here, and I've spray painted this. I actually got this from Banjara Market. Again, spray painting can really change your life. Then there is a planter, artificial plants. because real planters are obviously going to be in my balcony. These beautiful pots which I got from LBB, again very aesthetic, have added some pampas grass, again some artificial plants, and that's it. Okay, again another aesthetic corner, which is this console table that I got from Reclaimed Wood. I love their concept because it's a sustainable homegrown brand. They don't use any new wood, they use salvaged wood, which is insane. You know, like, we need more brands like this which make such beautiful furniture pieces out of, you know, already used wood. They don't cut any new wood, which is amazing. Definitely check them out. I gave them this design and they made it to perfection, and it really is super aesthetic in the entire space. All of these plants, artificial plants, flowers, this pot, all of these candle holders are from that Chhatarpur place. I think it's called 7-Star Wedding. You should definitely check them out. This amazing one-of-a-kind wall clock is from Cumin Decor. They actually custom made this for me in the exact size that I wanted it, because I wanted this, you know, very signature wall clock, which doesn't work right now, but I'm gonna like put cells and make it work. Can we for a second appreciate how cute this corner is? I love it. I love this furniture piece. Again, got this custom made from Reclaimed Wood. Genuinely, this chair fits like a missing piece in a puzzle, and I love that. It has some golden accents. By the way, I got this from Banjara Market. All of these plants are again from that Chhatarpur place. I love this. It's from Reclaimed Wood. Also very, very comfortable. I sit like a boss lady in this, and I think it's really cute. This little jute rug is from Vajor. You know that I'm obsessed with colors and having these signature pieces in my space, which is why I got a turquoise blue sofa. Can you imagine? And it looks so amazing on this. We've gotten a top brass mirror right here. It adds such a nice aesthetic to the entire space. Then we've got some like off-white cushions that are from Thyarki. Again, very bohemian cushions. I mean, look at this. It's so cute. Very, very good in quality. I would highly recommend checking out Thyarki if you want to check out cushions especially. This little table is actually from Banjara Market. ये नीचे से white आया था और मैंने उसको spray paint कर दिया. Literally, you can make anything work when you can DIY. This thing, which is a brass pot, actually, I got this from LBB. LBB has such different stuff, and you know what, if you're on a budget, like, I would definitely recommend you checking out LBB. Then we have a Rishi and Vibhuti candle. This really beautiful mat is from Thyarki again. You know, when I was looking for curtains for my entire house, I was looking for really, really premium quality, which is why I chose Ruby Signature. I know that they make some amazing, really, really good quality stuff, and you know, they're hands-on winners when it comes to curtains and soft finishing. I got like this sheer, but iske piche maine thosi blackout lining kari hai just to protect this curtain. This entire space gets really, really good sunlight, very strong sunlight because it's south facing. I wanted this because you get like golden light at around 5 PM. It's the most beautiful thing. I wanted curtains that can soften the light and also look beautiful, very modern, and these curtains was definitely customized. They are again from Ruby Signature. Oof, this balcony. I love this balcony. Also love this dhoop. Maybe not in the peak summers in Delhi, but love this dhoop. We have fake grass in it, and I love that. I've always wanted to have fake grass. Just like chilling here. Like, this is so beautiful, especially at night. When I just like turn on a few fairy lights and it looks beautiful. Okay, having good lighting setup is super, super crucial, which is why I got this beautiful lighting setup, which is kind of like the centerpiece of the entire room. This is again from LBB. Okay, moving on to the next room. This is kind of like my sitting space where I work, where I just hang out. I love that there's so much natural light in this space. This was all a dream. SMU headquarters, Neon Attack actually made this for me, and it is stunning. This is exactly what I wanted. And you know, how powerful does this look? You're sitting here and then you're reminded that this was all a dream. This truly was, and you guys were such a big part of this journey, so thank you. I'm always super grateful. Coming back to this little console table, which is kind of like my jewelry holder. All of my jewelry and my accessories are actually in this little space. This again, this little thing, a plant holder which has some pampas grass on it. This is again from LBB. Look how minimalistic this is. Love it. This is, I think, ceramic if I'm not wrong. Absolutely love it. Then there's a mirror because I tend to get ready, or if I want to go to shoot, want to wear some jewelry, I want to see myself in the mirror here. Again, turquoise chairs, guys. Can you imagine? They look so beautiful. And then there's again a sitting corner right there. How cute is this super aesthetic space, which gets so much sunlight? It is right next to my desk. Whenever I'm feeling like a little heavy or a little anxious because of work, I just come and sit here, have a cup of coffee. This little poof is actually from Attirel. Again, a very, very beautiful, very aesthetic, homegrown brand, home decor brand. This this little rug, which is again very aesthetic, very bohemian, is from Vajor. These little accents are also from Vajor, and this one, which is like a little bit of a plant holder, is from LBB. Okay, this is from Future Saksha. We've now added curtains and this light, which is also from LBB. Okay, I always wanted to have this concrete sort of a texture in one of the walls in my house, and I finally got it in my office space, and I think it fits perfectly. It's got this texture which I love. It adds some sort of like a ruggedness to the entire space. This is from UDC Homes. You have to get wallpapers if you want to get some stuff done, because what if you change your mind later? You can always switch it up. UDC Homes again does very, very premium work, very, very good quality stuff. Love this wallpaper. Moving on, welcome to my dining space. I got all of these very proudly, all of these chairs custom made from Banjara Market, you guys, for like dirt cheap prices. I think each chair was for, I think, 2,000 bucks if I'm not wrong, which is still cheaper, and very, very good quality, very sturdy. This table runner is from Thearki again, Thearki Fashions, and this tray, which has a mirror in it, is again from LBB. This little plant holder again from LBB, have put some candles in it. Super aesthetic. I love having my food on a dining table, aram se, shanti se. So here's the dining space. We needed an ollie space, which is why I got this beautiful tent, which is from Woof Roof. It says Ollie. So beautiful, so customized. I love it. Like, he goes and sleeps in it during only the night time. Like, he doesn't like to sit in it in the daytime. I don't know why, but this is really cute. Also adds a lot of aesthetic. Coming back to the second round, which is my frame wall. Again, this wall was completely empty, which is why I decided to fill this entire space with some line art. Very, very black and white sort of a theme, like you can see, and I've added like different shapes of frames. Very abstract looking sort of a design, and like you can see, it somehow is all different, but it still goes together. On another wall, we have a macrame wall hanging. Like I said, I love macrame. I got this from Amazon. Welcome to my favorite room, which is my walk-in wardrobe, which has so much sunlight in it. Oh my god, this is my favorite space ever. I have all of my clothes. I know I'm a little bit of a hoarder, but this is my dreamland. We had an extra storeroom, which I converted into my shoe closet. Oh my god, all of my shoes, like most of my shoes are in here, and I love it. Welcome to my aesthetic room. Oh my god, having an aesthetic house also requires an aesthetic room. This room has so many beige and off-white and white tones in it. Like, honestly, when the sun hits, and there's a lot of sun here because there's no blockage of light, the sun is like directly hitting the entire room constantly, which I love. So everything glows. I'm super fond of big ass cushions, and I love my Thearki cushions. They look very, very aesthetic. Added a pop of color in all of this beige madness with some coral, and it looks beautiful. This room again has no paintings as such, but it has a beautiful wallpaper on the back of the bed, which looks stunning. It has this tropical feel, but not overpowering at all. Again, you already know that UDC Homes does the most magnificent stuff. Like, seriously, their stuff is fantastic. It's so modern, and it is so like international level, which is why I got such a fabulous wallpaper. I mean, you don't see wallpapers like these in normal stores. UDC has the best stuff. I kid you not. When I wake up in the morning, I need to have my feet on a carpet, which is why I got this from Material. Very bohemian, very, very good in quality. I've already spoken about this brand, and my dog loves to roll around in it. Also, all the furniture that I've used in this space is actually from my previous house, especially from my previous room. So they all are like this really light wood color. I love it. Everything is white, light wood, and it is super warm, super aesthetic. Very dirty at the moment. I'm not super careful with the aesthetic here because I get ready here. So all of my cosmetics, all of my skincare, my bags, my air purifier, which is super important nowadays, is all right here. It's a little bit of a mess, but we're okay with that. Again, the curtains in my room are also from Ruby Signature. Love them, so high in quality and completely block out the light. And again, they're beige. They have this little bit of a shine to them, which adds so much texture, you know. It looks like good quality. These are very, very premium curtains because Ruby Signature is a very premium brand. Welcome to the master bedroom, and of course, since this is the studio, my little bit of a workspace, of course the master bedroom was to be converted into my studio with these paper rolls. You know that I make videos on this. All the styling videos that you see are actually made on this studio backdrop, which I love. There's so much more space than my previous studio, and you know what, like, I'm so eternally grateful for it. My entire team is also super grateful for it because they have so much space to work around in. This is pretty much empty, lots of lights here, lots of equipment clothing here, lots of pressing stuff here, and that's it. This right here is my part 2 of the walk-in closet. This has all of my blazers and my coats that I wear on an everyday basis. Last but definitely not the least are my 2 balconies in this house. You already know that I love open spaces and balconies and real plants most of all. So this is this little balcony space right outside my studio. It's very helpful because we get like these really pretty patterns of light directly in my studio. Well, that's it you guys for my studio tour / my crib tour. Thank you so much for coming to my house. I feel like you guys are all a part of my family and all a part of SMU headquarters. I'm very excited about that. I'm going to mention all the links of all the brands that I spoke about in the description box below, along with a lot of product links, so definitely go and check that out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me. And guys, I am uploading every single day on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's just @StyleMeUpWithSakshi. Join the community, join the family. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.